Hello, Tonic Studios, Karen speaking. Why yes, we do have some amazing telephone dies for you. Would you like to see them? So we're here to show you these amazing, amazing creations. Look at...
Oh, I love them.
I know.
I am in love with these.
I know. You've got your handset. Look at the work in this. Do you know, it's just so amazing. We've made these, haven't we?
Absolutely.
We've been busy bees, and we've done the packaging samples for these. So you've got a little box underneath. Oh, sorry, I don't want to... I'm trying to keep it in focus and it's not going to happen. I may as well just take it away and take the box out. Right, so you've got your box underneath.
So
you've got
little gifts in.
Little gifties in there, but you've also got... Hello. Chuck them in.
It is amazing.
So you can seal this up as well, can't you? So if you just
can.
wanted to put some little sweeties or something in there, you can seal the base up.
Yes.
And pop them in through your...
Or you can glue the front as well.
You can glue the front in as well. Yes, of course,
that.
because you've got glue tabs on that as well.
Absolutely.
Let's show you the die set. Oh my goodness.
Look at the die set.
Look at the size. You're not gonna... it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's got to go there.
There's the die set.
It is humongous. It's as tall as an A3 plus glass mat.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Should we get this out? There's 47 dies in here.
And you get your stamp set as well.
You do.
So you've got 8 stamps in there.
So there is your die set.
Flip him open. Flip him open. Let's have a look at the instructions.
She's eager.
I know.
Tell her about the dies. There's your full instructions. But don't worry, we'll do a video for you. And you can have a little look at that.
Yeah, we'll have some makes for you as well.
Look at that.
That's amazing. They're quite comprehensive instructions.
Absolutely.
You've got some little...
But I think parts of these would go onto cards as well.
Oh, definitely.
You know, you've definitely got the dial that will go onto cards.
Well, you've got the plain telephone front there, haven't you?
You have. So let's have a little look, shall we?
Shall we have a look at some of these?
Should we have a chat about these as well?
We may as well.
So we've got numbers in a deboss, but we've also got two types of stamped numbers.
And we've got these.
And we've got the numbers
the die cut numbers.
So there's some there, and up here. We got With Love. We've got Call Me.
Call Me.
And what was that one? Ring Ring.
Hello there. And my favourite.
We're reading back to front here.
I'm just a phone call away. Oh, I think that's a lovely sentiment.
Absolutely.
Chuck some chockies in there. I'm just a phone call away, and send it to one of your friends that you haven't seen for a while. Isn't that nice?
You could even pop this on their doorstep.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Fab.
Like a secret.
If they're not feeling very well.
Kindness.
Yes.
No.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
That sounds lovely.
I like that. I really like that.
So your stamps then, moving on. So as I say, you've got your 2 different dials. So one is a negative, one is your positive. You've got thank you, please wait for the dial tone.
I like that.
Happy birthday, just calling to say, and ring ring.
Ring ring.
Brr, brr.
And
I've done that all morning.
I reckon this one's going straight through to Crafty Simon.
Absolutely.
Hello, Crafty Simon. Can I have some dice, please?
Tonic hotline.
It's like a bat phone. Straight through.
Absolutely.
You can see on this one, we've got the stamped sentiments on this one. So you've got please wait for the dial tone. So a real retro feel to this one here. That's a fabulous sample.
The shape of it is wonderful as well.
Oh, it really is. To get that curve. Yes. So you've got your curved glue tabs on the die itself.
And they make that shape for you.
So you've got a gap in between them, so you're able to curve that card. So just give it a little bit of a curve with your bone folder, your card creaser, between your fingers, over the edge of the desk, whatever you want to curve it on. You know, we've tried
it all.
We do it all sorts of ways.
So you can use your pattern papers.
That's
So
beautiful.
This is stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
And look at this. This little end piece.
Oh.
That's just a little strip of card curled.
Twirled round a pen, a glue bottle, you know, one of your glue pens, anything that's quite thick.
Yeah.
To give that curl.
Yeah. And it's secured on the side here. I don't even know whether you see it. Can I come forward? Can I go back? Can you see that?
Have we got another one? I've got one here.
It's secured by a little die-cut circle.
Yeah, I've got one on this
Teeny
one as well.
tiny.
Can you see the die-cut circle on that one? It's a different colour to the cardstock. There we go.
It's almost like a little punch circle.
Yeah, it is. It is. But I'm sure it's in here somewhere. It's gonna be the fallout from here.
Yes.
It's the fallout from the dials.
On the dial.
Oh,
There
look
we
at that
are,
one.
look at that one.
That's opulent.
Absolutely.
I like it. Nice
This
and bright.
has to be your cream room, doesn't it?
Oh, with your, do you know?
With your gold telephone.
We had not quite this shape because I'm talking 80s rather than probably this is like a 1940s phone, isn't it? It's,
oh yeah.
But we had the green one. Do you remember the green telephone?
remember the green.
The 2 shades of green. So the receiver was a different colour green to the rest of it.
I do.
Yeah, that's what we had.
We didn't have a phone until after I'd left home.
Oh, didn't you?
No.
Oh, I do remember the phone being put in.
No, I'd already left.
Wow.
Do you fancy a bit of...
Oh, I like
3-tone?
that. I like that a lot. Just for you. And you can see there you've got the stamped numbers on that one. Beautiful, beautiful.
Let me... Oh,
I love this.
I'm going to have to move this.
We've got to show that one.
Look at this.
Ready?
By popping a couple of feet on it.
Oh, that is
Look at
amazing.
that. So if you've got any of these
Decorative
feet in your collection,
Yeah.
I think this is the project to use them on.
Oh, it's amazing.
Look at this.
It looks so good, doesn't
That's
it?
your Queen Anne, isn't it?
Yes, yes
She had a
indeed.
fabulous pair of legs like that.
And of course,
Pair of bow legs, isn't it?
This one has been made.
Oh dear, Alex's hand is in
It is,
his head.
yeah, his head's in his hands again.
Oh dear.
This one's got some drawers underneath. So it's been made to using
could
that
have a
bottom panel.
notebook.
Yeah, using the bottom panel. So the bottom, does that come off as well? No, that one, is it stuck? Or
That's stuck, I think.
I'm frightened to lift it now. I know.
No, I think
know.
that's stuck.
No,
Oh,
it is. It is.
That's your stationery set.
Yeah, definitely.
So you've got little pens in there. You can put your paper
It does.
clips.
Look, it's meant to come out. Look. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's meant to come out. Honest.
And these
3
little
litre
drawers.
spots.
3 litre spots.
Absolutely, one each.
Perfect.
These are just made with a card wrap around them,
Yeah.
with the drawers.
Yes, exactly.
So that is amazing.
It's fabulous, fabulous die set, but something completely different.
Look at this. Forget about the top. Just use it as a gift box. What a beautiful shaped gift
It's
box.
amazing. None of us thought of it.
No, we didn't. But looking at that, I think that looks like a bell as well.
Yeah, very
So
much
you
so.
could make large hanging decorations
That's
for the
lovely,
festive
isn't it?
period.
Isn't that beautiful?
Stunning.
Hello there.
And I know you've all got a couple of flowers out there that could be added on.
Or holly if you're doing it for Christmas.
Yes,
Absolutely.
indeed.
Absolutely.
They are beautiful.
But
I mean,
it
I've
could
got
be
some.
any occasion.
I've got
Talking of occasions.
Talking of occasions, I've got to be careful picking it up because there's sweets in it and I dropped them earlier.
So not like you, Karen.
I know. So
not.
this is the Jubilee phone.
Oh, the 4th of July phone.
Born on the 4th of July, indeed.
Absolutely.
So that's a lovely, lovely one there. Just using the red, white and blue.
I just want to point out here as well, behind the dial is a piece of vellum. Let me come forward.
Oh, yeah.
That's a piece of vellum that's been embossed with the embossed
yes.
numbers.
The deboss numbers. They're beautiful, aren't they?
So try that as well. That's a lovely little feature.
I've got a really nice one. You look at the colour
Oh,
on this
look
one.
at that.
Stunning. Very, very impressive to look at.
So that one is...
They just make a statement, don't they? They just make a statement.
They're paper pieced.
They're beautiful. Yeah,
So
they're the die cut ones.
That are these numbers here. The number will come out. So you've got the circle and you can put a different colour number in. Which is what's
this one is the negative stamp. So I'll pop that one in as well. Just for you to see that one. And you can see that's the negative stamp there on that one. So you get, it's been stamped in black. So you can see there that you've got the negative. The number doesn't stamp around the number stamps.
Yeah.
So that's your negative effect there. So.
And look at that one if you want to add a little bit of extra frou-frou.
Oh, we love a bit of frou-frou.
Look at this one.
Love it.
A little bit of twine.
Oh, that is stunning. Look. And inside these are...
Oh.
I'm not going to open... Am I going to open this one? No, it's going to come from the bottom.
We got to remember which one does
I know, because some of them are sealed at the front and some of them are sealed at the base. Oh, it's not... Oh, it's not in the box. It's in here. Do you know what's in here?
It's the smelly things that go in your washing machine.
It's the smelly things that go in your washing machine. It's the Unstoppables. And they are amazing. I mean, you could have that in the corner of your room just as a decoration. You've got your Unstoppables in there and you've got a lovely fragrance right the way through the room. Smells clean. Alex said the other day, smells clean in here. I think he thought I'd brought my washing in with me. And
don't know what he's trying to say to us the rest of the time.
Stinky pear.
Absolutely.
It's all that hard, sweaty crafting work you do.
Indeed.
Right.
Indeed. We are hard workers, Mr. Alex. We really are. So these are our amazing, amazing telephones.
What occasion are you thinking of?
We could keep showing them. We
could go on for ages. We'll be here all day sharing these phones with you.
I'm playing with them.
But what occasion are you going to use them for? Have you got a special person in mind? What are you going to do with them? Share your makes on our Facebook page. Craft book, I was going to say that.
You can share them in our craft book as well, everyone.
But show us what you're making. Tag us in your makes.
We love to see what you are doing with all of our crafty projects here. We love to give you some inspiration and just see where you take it. You take it to that next level.
Absolutely.
When we see the makes on our social media, we see that people have done something completely different and we're like, oh, why didn't I think of that?
Exactly. And then
it's so nice to see
fabulous ideas.
Very, very nice.
We try and catch as many as we can, but obviously we miss a lot of them.
Yeah.
But we appreciate them.
We do appreciate every single one. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you love this amazing die set.
As much as we do.
Oh, good. We had such a good laugh making them.
We did.
We really did. So all three were making them at the same time when we all together upstairs. It's fab. You can get the collection on our website now. Price will be just below us here. Don't forget, if you subscribe to our craft kit, you do get your 10% off with your TCK code. You can also pay in instalments with ClearPay, ShopPay and PayPal. Tag us in your makes.
Absolutely.
We love to see what you're making. And like, subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Ting.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us today. Happy crafting.
Bye.